Are you looking for how to make panel for TV? If yes, in this video you will find the best ideas and materials to use. There is an object that contributes a lot to decorating the room and making it more beautiful is the TV panel. It is very common for people to have TV in the room, and the panel makes the wall becomes much more beautiful and the space is very personalized. So check out some suggestions of materials for you to reuse and create your panel. The pallets are very high, and are being used more and more to help in the organization and decoration of the houses. They are materials that are easy to find and are often even free. Pallets are often discarded at fairs, grocery stores and supermarkets. Generally they are wooden pallets, but it can also be metal and plastic. It is a resistant and sustainable material. It is also very interesting sustainable, and you can recycle it using cardboard to make your TV panel a material and easy to find like that. Like pallets, and you can find it for free to create your panel. You will need cardboard, double-sided tape and paint, if you want to paint to make it less rustic. When it comes to recycling materials, many people are excited, as it is a way of preserving the environment and avoiding the disposal of materials. And not everyone knows, but the wardrobe door is great and easy enough to be transformed into other furniture and objects, such as the TV panel with wardrobe door, in which recycling is done in a very creative and super versatile, impressive, no way, and even I want your opinion down here. If you liked it, leave your like also here in the video. Subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed, and until the next video.